Are you one of the many companies that's still using your own employees to send them to the fueling station to fill your equipment each and every day? I bet you're experiencing time loss. You're probably experiencing theft, and your fleet is just generally underutilized. My name is Eliot, and I'm with Fuel Logic, and I'm here to tell you that we can help. We've developed this fuel savings calculator to show you how these hidden costs are impacting you. I'm going to use data from a real-world example of a company that we helped today. They had 20 trucks. They were sending these trucks to the gas station 5 days a week. So Monday to Friday, they started their day off at the gas station. They were putting about 25 gallons per piece into each piece of equipment on average. I've seen the round trip. This is the amount of time that it takes to get to the gas station, to wait in line, to fill your equipment, to pay for your fuel, to handle your business and get back to the job site or the shop. I've seen this as high as an hour, but I'm going to use 30 minutes just to be conservative. These guys were a moving company and they had 4 employees in each truck. They were paying these guys $25 per hour, burdened. As you can see, there's a huge opportunity for fuel savings here. These guys could save $260,000 per year. That's a lot of money. You're going to be a hero if you figure that one out. How much time were they wasting each week? This is the time that the truck, the trailer, and the employee aren't on the road. They're not making deliveries that generate profit for your company. In this example, it was 50 hours. What does that translate to in dollars? Well, labor savings per week was $5,000. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. If you've got more deliveries to make in a day, that's more profit to the bottom line, and we've just freed up enough time to do that. If you don't, just the act of getting these guys off of the clock saves you $5,000 per week. Now, you may think that the price at the pump is what you're paying for your fuel, but when you take into consideration all of these hidden costs, you're actually, in this example, paying $2 more per gallon. So if you're paying $3.50 at the pump, well, in reality, it's costing you $5.50 per gallon. That's a lot of money. There's a lot of opportunity there. If any of this resonates with you, we're here to help. Click on the email me the report and we'll start showing you how.